Hello, my dear student. Welcome back to my another lesson. I am in here, Mohammed Shujanali, but my nickname is Timur. I am drawing teacher from Milestone Preparatory KG School, Diabari branch. Today, I am going to show you how to draw flower vase and how to do pencil sketch the flower vase. For this drawing and pencil sketch, we will flow this reference photo. This photograph, the flowers and the flower, we will try to do like this. Not same copy this, but we will try to do copy work from this photograph. We will change some direction and some flower or something for our easy drawing. I am going to show you and how to do sketch easily, the sketch technique and drawing technique. I hope everyone will be attentionally follow this video class, and please don't skip this video class from first to last time. I hope you will watch this video from first to last time and you will follow that how I am moving my pencil, my hand, and the texture of this case and the great light shade and all everything. You will observe part by part. If you have some any question about this video or this tutorial or the drawing or anything, you can let the comment or you can contact with me by messenger. So enjoy with me step by step. So let's on the skin.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
So I have done step by step with me this drawing. I am coming in our next class with the next lesson. So this is the right time to say bye.